previous video I have solved the page number 36 and 37. In this video I am going to solve page number 38. Already page number 36 and 37 question number A, B, C and E I have solved. I think all of you done in your book. Now open your page number 38, complete the flowchart. Already a flowchart is given in your book. Now complete the flowchart. Here you have to write the different types of clause and you have to give one example of different types of clause. Now first one already written in your book, wedding, you can say wedding animals, wedding type of clause, anything. The example is crane. This type of clause present in crane. Now example is already given here, so you have to write the name of the bird. Scratching bird, C-H-S, scratching bird. Scratching. Now third, here is written grasping. So example is grasping bird, example is eagle. Now perching. You have to write the name of the types of clause or birds, or you have to give example. So perching. Example, crows. Running bird. All of you know that running bird is ostrich. Emu, ostrich, or a running bird. Now, next one example is given here, parrot. So, the bird is climbing bird. The last one, swimming. Swimming bird. Example is duck, swan, etc. Now, so here are the flowchart of different types of clause. Wedding, example is crane. Scratching, example is hen. Grasping, example is eagle. Perching, example is crow. Running, example is ostrich. Climbing, example is parrot, or parrots you can say the singular plural, it is your choice. Swimming bird, example is duck. Okay. Now the last one, G. In A, here is written give. If give reason for the following. Here are six. You have to write the reason of this 6 question. So I will send all this in a study materials. Okay. Now the next one, G. Write true or false. Crows have 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. Crows have 3 toes, 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. 3 toes front and 1 behind. This one is true. G1. Now G2. All birds have same beaks and claws. All birds have same beaks? No. Same beaks and claws? No. They have different types of beaks and claws. So this one is false. Now 3. Now 3. Hens have scratching claws. Yes, hens have scratching claws. This one is true. Now 4. Claws help birds to sleep. Claws help birds to sleep. Because some birds such as claws help them to sleep. So you can write here true. Besides all this, the claws help to catch food, perch and move around. Okay. Now in perching birds there are toes in front, 3 toes in front and 1 behind, which curls around and crowds around the branch to hold it firmly. It enables the bird to sleep That's why the 4 is option 4 is true. That's why the question number 4 is true. The last one. Herons have spear-shaped beak. True. Herons have spear-shaped beak. This one is true. So all exercise, filling the blanks, true, false, flowchart, I have already solved there, and for question answer and for giving reason, I will send you study material. Clear? Thank you.